right?
They've taken the objective.
Is the haze good?
Putting down a turret.
No. She's okay.
Building cover. Time for a little help.
It's in all my skills today, huh? They're like, we want to make sure you didn't get here too early, so go ahead and give me a water check. Ugh.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Steam's being a Billy. What do you want me to say?
No, that was enough. Probably not wrong.
It's funny to watch turrets hit people when I'm not even around to like be fighting.
Look at all that.
All right.
Good job.
Gotta keep everyone up and fight.
This is just a taste of what they'll come back.
Oh, lone kill to the right.
Krill's over here.
He's running an urn apparently. And a close quarters for good measure. And we'll let that sit for now.
What
We've
is
moved
this
on to
game?
better things, but I'm
How do
happy
we
for
have a
you.
40,000 gold lead, my guy.
That's how you do it.
Let's just say our laner, the people we were against, were not good. Oh, you want some of this, though? In fairness, this is what you want. This is what you asked for. Side. So glad. There is a fast travel spot. You're right. Let's get it. Okay. I'm second most fed right after you, my guy.
Ayo.
Alright, this Lash only has 7k, so there ain't no way I should be losing to him. But he might not stick around for a fight because of that.
Turret's online.
Oh, he might be a Billy. Oh, Moan Krill's here.
Nice.
It was double the next highest person, which was my laner.
I barely touch buildings. More than Grey Talon, but barely.
Did Juliet drop slurs in her speech? I don't remember that.
It's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Whoa, and the super leg spike again. What is going on with it? Through the changes. Yes, she's got one of the longer lists.
Yeah.
McGinnis mini turrets recharge time reduced from 3 to 5 seconds. McGinnis mini turrets cast range increased from 15 to 28 meters. McGinnis mini turret damage reduction against troopers / neutral enemies increased from -40% to -50%. So she resists after her.
Yeah. I think we actually initiated that just to try to give you an opening through.
Oh, then that worked out nicely.
Always have an escape plan.
You can see me. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of how... Well, not quite. My phone is on the Wi-Fi, but it's working. But my computer is on Ethernet, and it's not. Like, it doesn't show it here, but it shows the stream going through every other way. Wandering around. If you're the real deal, then tell me the password. You should know it unless you're bluffing. Really? The password? That's right, the king set a password. If you say you are, then you'll know it. The king is also an imposter, guys. I see. Clear. Me and my 34K are gonna try to make something happen. As long as I stay away from half their team, I should be safe. You know, the mean half, not the...
Coming green. My battery!
Wow. Hey, thanks for the commendation. You're the only one.
Yeah.
Cause I'm not a good. I'm not a good.
Oh, you threw me back on base, huh? You did that to me?
Yikes. Okay, pocket. Cool attitude.
Man, can I blow Wraith up if she lets me? The damn.
I never got the war point by the castle. Oh, here we go. Some cutscene. Some cutscenery. Masfra is asking, do we like the new Zelda? We love.
Couldn't get him.
Let's try this. Let's try normal. Can you see the stream today? You're the one who I think has had the most issues with the stream, so I want to make sure that you can see it. There are many monsters spread across Hyrule. We lowered our settings to make it more accessible to everybody. I never got the war point by the castle. Oh, here we go. Some cutscene. Some cutscenery. Masfra is asking, do we like the new Zelda? We love.
Yo, what the beginning says, bro? Clear yellow.
Anyone got purple or yellow? Yeah. Okay.
Big spender. Just gave me $100 bill like a G over here.
They'll never now they see me.
Oh, really? I punched the minion and it got him low. Oh no, is this another mismatch?
This might just be another mismatch.
Because I just got Great Talent down to almost nothing.
Yeah, I just hit him with a bomb after that, so he's done.
I'm going hot. Time for a little help.
Nice.
Hey, buddy. Oh no. Lost, I feel like. They need to just push and win.
Yeah, after that fight, I would probably agree. They're grouped better. Our Wraith is our most farmed person on our team, and they were.
Enemies have breached our stronghold.
I got us covered.
And we're live. And there's no music.
But there's Joshua.
Perhaps.
It makes me feel good.
Your alt is weak. Knoxbot, get in here, bro.
Great.
Some No. Hello, sir. I was napping or working here at the bottom of the well, and before I knew it, monsters. Monsters down here, monsters up there. What are we gonna do?
Turrets up.
Chased all the way back to the walker. Too much data through Facebook. Actually, I don't know if that's the real problem, but basically Facebook's being silly with my streams, and I don't know why.
Bonds, we're in different lanes again.
I know, this is the thing that kind of has been annoying me with the latest versions of this game, is that it used to...
Turrets online. We're staying in this fight. Gotta build me some backup. Gotta build me some backup. Take cover! Don't let them outposition us!
Oh, nice. I'm a good tank, I promise.
I forgot we had an Abrams. I don't think I've seen him fight yet.
Because there was 3 there, and that was not the right call. Because they were doing fine on green, and they still are.
Oh yeah, our whole, like, half our team has been pushing green for a while. We're permanently, forever visible on the map as long as you are carrying the urn.
Did I even deliver it? My laner did not...
Oh.
is not effective with the poke.
No, I don't think my laner's doing all too much either.
Putting down a turret.
I see, Yamato.
Like 3.
Grandpa. No, Grandpa. You were like a grandpa to me.
Your statement?
Yo, the game's really getting hype now. We got Tesla in here.
We got Teslas. Wi-Fi keeps cutting out. Oh no.
Defenses are up. Time to block them off.
All right, we'll buy first.
Nice.
Oh. All right.
Time to block them off. Putting down.
Coins that like gives you 10 souls every minute or something.
All right, buddy.
I remember League had like this goofy item that was like basically just get free money over time. Right?
Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
He missed that. Feels bad.
Cover.
Ba 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 ba. Did she really just... She did. Alright, I died. They did a lot to get me.
Burn them all in furnace.
If they want to put us down, they're gonna have to work for it.
bunch of use cases for this guy, teaching me how to use him effectively, I guess. This is the mechanic of this dungeon, is this Gust Master. So let's be extra careful. You mean it's the next level? No way. Try so insightful. So glad I have this little yellow balloon at my...
Gang to the right place. Stay strong, buddy.
You alive, bro?
You got some steez?
Oh yeah, got my steed back.
There he is.
He's
I
coming
had
for me,
to-
but it would lead to something like that. I guess I'll have to just go over there and explore a bit. Alright, giant rift, giant rift, giant rift. Actually out in the water, so... Well, actually it's south. So I think that's where I'm going to... They hit me pretty good with that last poke, not gonna lie.
Need more firepower. Wall incoming.
Infernus is near.
Oh, we got an Infernus here. I have all in 10 seconds.
He just threw a bomb Dominion at me.
Setting up.
Bo and Krill stopped my ult completely, so I got killed immediately.
That's what happened.
You gotta teach him a lesson.
I was trying
We
to
can't
kill,
just be
I was trying
bowing
to
and
kill
krilling.
Grandpa, but
We're staying in this fight. Cutting them off.
yo, for real?
Hey, you're alone against 3 rather.
Not.
Headed to Papa. The blood will flow down Broadway.
Really there yet? Get deck boxes. taking out their guardians over here on purple. It's like they don't even know. They don't even know we're in here.
Who needs to pick me up?
I keep forgetting that you can interact with that addled frog in the swamp in a different way instead of fighting it and killing it.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm so glad they left that up, even though we're playing a real game now.
Yeah, it's gone for the long enough time. The Ditta's just pushing lanes, trying to take down walkers.
Our yellow wolf.
Jeez. Oh, who'd you get?
Swapped health. Pocket's dead.
Get back here.
Yeah, me too.
It's like, enough of this. I don't even know if y'all did play good. You played against an easy team, apparently. Whew.
Yeah, all I did.
I think it was from a previous session. Bling. Bada bling.